Let me show you how it works. So I'm going to take it to full screen. Now I'm going to run it. Now this green ball is my snake right here. I'm going to go down, and then you can see, just a minute, I'm going to go to left. You can see that the length of my snake has increased now. See, the length is written right here, 2.2, and my score is 2. Means every time I eat the grasshopper, then my score will increase by 2. And this direction shows that in which direction I'm going right now. I'm going to go up. Now I'm going to left, so it shows left. Now I'm going down, so it shows down. So this is how it works. So I'm going to stop it now. Now I'm going to exit full screen. Now here I've already done all the coding, so I'm going to explain you. So firstly, I have taken this when green flag clicked block from the events. These are the events. Set direction to right. So firstly, let me explain you one very important thing. These are variables. Means variables they store things. Variables store things. So here you can click on make a variable, and then you can name them as score, length and direction. And then you can tick these check boxes right here. These three, don't tick this my variable then. And then you have to go to control right here, and then take this forever loop and place it just below the set direction to right variable block. And then you need to take this if then block right here and put it right here. Now same way you need to take three more of these, and then you need to go to operators and take this block, this dash equal to 50. So after this you have to change this 50 to right and go to variables. Then you can drag out this direction right here from here and place it right here. And then you need to go to motion, and then you need to scroll down, then take out this change x by 5, this block. Right, so let me tell you one very important thing right now, that this whole screen which you can see right here, it is from here minus 240, and here 240, and then right here it is minus 180, and here it is 180. So the distance from here, from the top to the bottom, is known as the y, and then the distance from here, means the distance from left to right, is known as the x. So this x and y tell us about the position of the sprite right here. The characters in Scratch are known as sprites, and the background is known as the background. Okay, so same way this is 5 and left is minus 5, because this is minus 40 and this is 40. So this way we are going, so it will be minus 5 in left. And same thing for up and down also, change y by 5 you need to take for that. And then at last you need to take, just a minute. Yes, you need to take this when up arrow key pressed block, and then so this block you can take from when up arrow key pressed block from here. Just drag out this when space key pressed and change the space key to up arrow key. And then same thing for the others also. This block you know from where it is taken from the variables. And same thing for others, for down, left, right, same. And then the block which we added right here in the forever loop, create clone of myself. So after that, this create clone of myself block you can take from the control area right here. You can scroll down and see these are the three blocks. And then you can take when I start as a clone block, and then you need to scroll up and then take this, wait 1 seconds, this one, this one. So right now I'm going to tell you about the next variable also, which is length. Delete this clone block, you can insert after it. It is also located in the control only when you scroll down. Okay, so now I'm again going to go to variables. No, not variables. I'm going to select another sprite, this grasshopper. Then all the blocks you know that from where they are taken. I'm just telling there are three new blocks. I'm going to tell you from where they are taken from. Pick random, this this number and this number. Pick random, this number, this number. So you can take this, go to X and Y from the motions, and you can take these two blocks, pick random blocks, from going to operators. Right here, see it is written pick random 1 to 10. So you can change these from minus 240 to 240 and take one another. I mean, take another one and place it in the Y area and take it to 180 to minus 180. And then this touching snake question mark, this one, you can go to sensing for that. See, you can see this touching mouse pointer. Just change this mouse pointer, click on this drop down arrow and then change this mouse pointer to snake. And this play sound pop until done. This is taken from the sound area. This is play sound pop until done. You can also record a new sound. You can click on this arrow and then click on record. When you click on record, you will go to this area sounds. You can click on this. See there means you can also choose a sound right here, or you can record it, or if you click on this surprise, then means any sound it can take from the whole sound library. It will take any sound, and you can also upload a sound. Now I'm going to go to back to code. Right, so let me tell you some other things also. Just change length by 1.1. So length, this length will tell the snake that Means actually we are doing a trail right here. It is creating a clone and then deleting it. So it is wait length seconds. So length is 5.5, so it waits for 5.5 seconds. Means until it is waiting for 5.5 seconds in this forever loop, create clone of myself. It will keep on creating clones for 5.5 seconds until it will look like it is getting longer. So this will only happen when you will start eating this grasshopper. So I'm going to tell you how I made this. This circle you can click on this cat and a plus, and then you can go to paint. Click on paint. Then you will go to paint, then you will be redirected to costumes right here, and this will be a blank screen. This will be blank, nothing will be right here. And then you can click on this circle, and then you can draw a circle right here like this. You can change its outline color, or just you want to remove the outline, then you click on this arrow, and then there's a square with a cross in it. See, the square means the square is cancelled, like, so you can click on it, and now you can see that the outline has disappeared. So this is how we do it. I'm just going to delete it and go right. And then you can also change its costume name, you can change it the sprite's name. You can, now how did I get this grasshopper? So actually I'm not going to draw this hole, right? So these are the other costumes of it. So I've not drawn it. Yes, I can draw it, but I haven't drawn it. You can click on this. Now click on search. When you will click on this, then you will be taken to the sprite library. Means from here you can choose any sprite. It is loading right now. You can also search for it right here. See, these sprites have names also already. You can go to any category, or you can search for a sprite. So you can go to animals, or you can simply search for insects. You can, means you can pick any sprite, whichever sprite you want your snake to eat, you can take that. So here I have taken this grasshopper. From here you can also take a frog, dragonfly, butterfly, beetle, whatever you want. You can also take a ladybug. Right. And you can go back, and then you can change the size of your sprite also from here. I've changed the grasshopper size to 30. Right. So this is how you make it. I'm going to go back to code. Right, so I'm going to tell you one important thing. You can change the score, means whatever number you want you can write right here, and then, like, your score is 0 right now. So when you will eat this grasshopper, then your score should be, means 1 should be added to your score, or 2 should be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you want. So here I've taken 2. So when my score is 6 right here, then I eat, means when my score was 6, I ate the grasshopper. Now it will add up 2 to my score, and it will change to 8. And one very important thing, don't forget to keep to change this from here. Don't forget to choose score right here and length right here. You can also change the length right here. I have taken it to 1.1. You can take it to 0.1, 0.2, 2.4, whatever you want. So every time you will eat the grasshopper, the snake's length will increase by that, by the number which you have written right there. I've written 1.1. And then same thing, like this is important to put right here. You can also put it right here also. Just a minute. I'm going to scroll up. Set direction to right. And if you will not choose this block, then like my this direction is down right now, when I will run it, then it will be down next time also. You can choose right or any other direction, any direction you want. And then this block is not important right here, it is useless, which I'm dragging right now. But this is very important to put right here. Otherwise your snake is right here. When you will run it again, it will continue from here only. Means not very important also. You can put it if you want. Otherwise when you will put it, then it is right here. When you again run it, then it will go back to the position which you have entered in the X and Y. So I'm going to take it to full screen and run it again. I'm going to click on this green flag. See, everything is zero right now. The direction is right, so it is going in right direction. Now I'm going to down. I'm going down, so it is down. I have added sound also right here, but you are not able to hear it right now. But I have added sound. See, now the length of my snake is 2.2. Now it is 3.3. Wait a minute, where is my grasshopper? Okay, it is down there. And my score is 6 right now. See how the score increases. I touched the grasshopper and it increased, means it is now 8, now 12. It is working very smoothly. So I can stop it now. So you can exit this full screen mode. You can change the name of your project. So I'm going to take it to snake game, and then you can also share it. So this was how we make a snake game.